In this video, I will share an experiment to plot characteristic curves of a ZENER diode and hence determine breakdown voltage of the ZENER diode. ZENER diode is a specially doped semiconductor diode. It has two portions. One portion is made of p-type semiconductor and the other is made of n-type semiconductor. In symbolic representation, p side of ZENER diode is shown as a triangle and n side is shown as a Z-shaped vertical line. ZENER diode is said to be forward biased when p side is connected to positive of battery and n side is connected to negative of battery. It is said to be reverse biased when p side is connected to negative of battery and n side is connected to positive of the battery. This is the required circuit diagram for plotting volt ampere characteristic curve when ZENER diode is forward biased. This is the required circuit diagram for plotting volt ampere characteristic curve when ZENER diode is reverse biased. The reverse bias voltage at which current through ZENER diode increases very sharply without any increase in voltage is called ZENER breakdown voltage, represented by capital V with the subscript Z. This is our ZENER diode. This is ammeter having positive and negative terminals. This is voltmeter having red as positive and black as negative terminal. Now with the help of this circuit diagram, let's make connections. Positive of battery is to be connected to P side of ZENER diode. This is positive of battery, this is P side of ZENER diode. Then N side of ZENER diode is connected to positive of ammeter. Negative of ammeter goes to negative of battery. Now we have to connect voltmeter parallel to battery. Positive of voltmeter to be connected to positive and negative to negative of battery. Now apparatus is ready for a performance of experiment. Switch on power supply and with the help of this electronic rheostat go on changing the values of voltmeter reading and ammeter reading and record in the form of a table. Similarly, make various connections with respect to the diagram when ZENER diode is reverse biased. This diagram shows negative of battery is to be connected to P side and N side of ZENER diode to be connected to negative of ammeter. Positive of ammeter goes to positive of battery. And voltmeter is also connected parallel to battery. With the help of electronic rheostat, go on changing voltmeter reading and ammeter reading. Using the observations of voltage and current, plot characteristic curves of ZENER diode for both the cases when it is forward biased and when reverse biased. In the reverse bias characteristic curve, note the value of Vz at which current through the diode increases very sharply without any increase in voltage across the diode. This value of reverse bias voltage Vz is the required breakdown voltage of ZENER diode. Thank you.